Introduction to number system. Now let's start with what is a number. A number is actually a way of thinking or an idea that enables us to compare different sets of objects. It can actually be called an idea behind the art of counting. Numbers rule our lives. We use numbers all the time. Our dates, days, months, and year are numbers. The time of the day is a number. The time of our next appointment is a number. The money we earn and spend is a number. So that means number is actually an idea behind the art of counting. Then, what are numerals? Numerals are used to name numbers. In other words, a numeral is a symbol used to represent a number. For example, the numeral 4 is the name of number 4. And again, 4 is the idea that describes any collection of 4 objects. 4 marbles, 4 books, 4 people, 4 colors, and so on. We recognize that these collections all have the quality of 4, even they may differ in every other way. So, if I have 8/4, this is also 4. That means this is just a symbol to represent number 4. This is a numeral 4, just a symbol to represent 4. And it is used to describe 4 things. So if I like, I can say this is also 4. This is a symbol to represent 4. So numerals are used to name numbers. So a numeral is just a symbol used to represent a number. So any symbol you use to represent a number is numeral. That means all our counting numbers are numerals because they are just symbols to represent a certain number. For example, if I write 1, this is a numeral, a symbol that represents the number 1. Because if I say 8/8, this is also 1. So this is also a symbol to represent the number 1. So if I write 2, is a numeral, is a symbol that we use to represent the number 2, and so on. So our counting numbers are numerals. So they are just a symbol. You can choose another thing to represent number 2, but we choose this symbol to represent number 2, and so on. So, what are digits? Digits are actually the alphabets of numbers. Just as we use 26 letters of the alphabet to build words, we use the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 to build numerals. If I write the numeral 10, this is a symbol that represents number 10. It is combined with 2 numerals, that is 1 and 0. So that means digits are just 0 to 9, just like A to Z in alphabet. So we join words together using A to Z. Now we join numbers together using 0 to 9. So those numbers are called digits. Now, is 10 a digit? Number 10 are numerals formed from the two digits 1 and 0. So 10 is not a digit. The digits we have are just 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 0, 8, 9. So all these are numerals. So if we combine 1 and 0, we get numeral 10, which is a symbol to represent number 10. So 10 is not a digit. Again, what are the different types of numerals used in day-to-day life? Note, these screenshots are from my textbook, Math Talk. My textbook, Math Talk. So all these screenshots are from my textbook. So now let's proceed. What are the different types of numerals used in day-to-day life? Beside our own number system, base 10, known as the Indo-Arabic system, the Roman numerals are also used sometimes. They are occasionally seen in textbooks, clock faces, and building inscriptions. The first 10 Roman numerals are, that is I. You see, that is number 1. We say I. That is number 2. I. That is number 3. So all these ones are Roman numeral. So IV number 4, V number 5, VI number 6, VII number 7, VIII number 8, IX number 9, X number 10. So if I say number 10, so this is a numeral. This symbol is representing 10. So all these numerals represent the number. So what are cardinal and ordinal numbers? An ordinal number gives us the rank or order of a particular object, while the cardinal number states how many objects are in the group of collection. To quote an example, fifth is an ordinal number and 5 is a cardinal number. So if you write fifth, this is an ordinal number. 5 is a cardinal number. So ordinal number gives us the rank, like fifth position, while the cardinal number states how many objects, like 5 books, like that. Seventh is ordinal number, while 7 is cardinal number. So seventh is telling us the position of an object, while 7 is telling us how many objects. So that is cardinal and ordinal. Now in another video we'll proceed with types of numbers. So under types of number, that's when we'll see real numbers, imaginary numbers. So that will be in the next video. Thank you.